them. No.
Are you sharing your bunny with the kitty? You giving her cuddles? Oh. Moxie, do you want to give her a kiss?
No.
Nim Nim the kitty. Oh, that's cute.
Head southeast.
You're cute.
Hiya.
Are you singing? Hello?
Hiya, Mama.
Oh, that was good. Hello, Moxie.
Hiya.
Hello, Moxie. Can you say, I love you? I know you can. Hello.
No.
Why don't you give her some more cuddles with the bunnies? Give Nim Nim a cuddle with the bunny.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh.
Oh.
Mom, please.
More, please? More what? More kisses? More what? Are you a piggy? Are you a pig? Are you a pig? Ah! Okay, Moxie, you want to say bye-bye? You did not want to say bye lately. Bye-bye. See you later. Get off. I love you.
Look.
Bye.